So we're going to go over the startup for your NitroTap. You're going to obviously take it out of the box and you're going to want to put it right on the counter. The next thing you're going to want to do is plug it into your outlet. It's a standard 120, so any outlet will do. You're then going to open up the cover, and inside is going to have your tap handle. There'll be also a drip tray in the box, and then you're going to have a 2-pack of these Quick Connect adapters. You're going to make sure to take this out of the reservoir. There's also going to be a white magnet that you're going to take out as well, because you don't need it for a Quick Connect. You're going to see in there that you're going to have your tubing ready to go with your Quick Connect adapter. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to attach your tap handle. So it's a simple just screw on. Your trip tray is also meant to go right in the front of the machine to catch any cold brew that may possibly drip while you're dispensing. You're then going to make sure that your machine is turned on after you've plugged it in. The switch is all the way here on the left side near the center of the machine. The next thing you're going to want to do is connect your Quick Connect bag-in-the-box cold brew. You're going to take your Quick Connect product, and you see there's a white cap. You're going to remove the white cap. And then you're going to screw on the adapter. And then place the whole bag into the machine. Best practices is that you might want to pre-chill the cold brew in a refrigerator, but it's not necessary because this is a refrigerated unit, so it will chill the product to the proper temperature for dispensing. Once you've loaded the bag into the machine, you're going to put the lid back on and you're going to turn on the pumps. The next step is you need to prime the lines. You're going to take your cup and just open up the tap until cold brew runs freely. And now you're ready to serve. Now we're going to go over dispensing from the NitroTap. As you can see here, we've got labels on the front of the machine. To the 9 o'clock position, it says still. To the 12 o'clock position, it says Nitro. It's going to be as easy as the turn of a dial to dispense your cold brew. We also are providing this clear label that's going to give you very easy instructions on how to use the machine when it's first installed. So let's do a still cold brew first. The first thing you want to know is that still cold brew should always be served over ice. So I've got a cup of ice here ready to go. I'm going to turn the dial to still, and then all I'm going to do is pull down on the tap handle and fill my cup. And now I have a full cup of ready to drink cold brew ready to go. The next item I'm going to do, obviously, is the Nitro cold brew. So again, easiest turn of a dial, moving it to the 12 o'clock position. And then I'm going to place my cup right under the tap handle and dispense. And you'll notice this time there's no ice because Nitro cold brew is best served as is. So I'm going to pull down on the tap handle, and as you can see, the nitrogen is being infused into the beverage right as it's being dispensed. And now we have a full cup of Nitro cold brew from our NitroTap system. Now we're going to go over your cleaning cycle for the NitroTap. This is something you should do at least once a week. It is a 2-step process where you're going to do a cleaning solution and then you're going to do a sanitizing solution. So the items you need to have in order to do this cleaning process is you're going to need 2 containers that hold at least a gallon worth of product. You're going to need the Quick Connect adapter, which you get 2 of these in your machine. And you're going to need your cleaning solution made by Ernex. We have one that's called Clearly Cold. That's going to be for your cleaner. And then we have Complete Cafe, which is for your sanitizing. Okay, your first step in the cleaning process of the NitroTap is you're going to want to clean the nozzle. So you're going to unscrew this nozzle. And then you're going to rinse this with clean soapy water. Once you've rinsed this with clean soapy water, you're going to reattach this to the machine. The next step in your cleaning process is you're actually going to run the cleaning cycle on the NitroTap. So the first thing you want to do is take off the lid from the machine and set that aside. Then you're going to remove the connected bag-in-the-box Quick Connect product. You're going to unscrew the Quick Connect adapter and place your product in the refrigerator. Your next step is to connect your Quick Connect adapter. And remember, you get 2 of these in the machine. The next step is going to be to actually place this into your cleaning solution. So this is one that I've already pre-mixed. You're going to load an empty container under your tap. Make sure that this is completely submerged into the cleaning solution, and then you're going to dispense. You want to make sure that you're dispensing at least half a gallon worth of product to complete the cleaning cycle. Now that you've completed the cleaning cycle, you're ready to move on to the sanitizing phase. For the sanitizing step, you're going to complete the same mixing process that you did with the cleaning solution. You're going to use a 1/4 ounce of solution based on a half gallon of water, at least. So you're then going to place your connected adapter into the sanitizing solution, and you're going to dispense fully into this empty container. Once the sanitizing is complete, you pull back up on the tap handle, proceed to turn off the pumps. The next step you want to do is to take off this adapter and save it in a safe place for later, because you're going to need this every week when you complete your cleaning cycle. At this point, you can leave the NitroTap as is, and it's ready to go for the next day. Or you can go ahead and reconnect your quick dispense bag-in-the-box cold brew to start using the machine right away. I'm going to take the product that we had in here before, because it's not an empty bag, and reconnect it. Make sure that you have a tight seal. The next part I'm going to do is turn back on the pumps, and then we're going to dispense some of the cold brew. You're going to flush out the lines of sanitizing solution so that way cold brew is running freely. So you put the lid back on and you're ready to serve.